अभी शुभमन के साथ आपकी पार्टनरशिप के बारे में हमें बताओ थोड़ा।
मेरी और शुभमन की पार्टनरशिप, I think I would say I've told many times that we've been playing together since school days when we were like 10-11, and obviously जो हमारा ऊपर से open कर रहे हैं, I think India के लिए it's a big achievement for both of us, and obviously he was doing really well for India from past 2-3 years, and me coming to this team and getting that opening spot for the team, I think that was a great opportunity for me as well. And तभी मुझे लगा कि शुभमन से ज़्यादा मुझे कोई अच्छा नहीं समझ सकता है, and हमारी वो जो conversation है हमेशा चलती रहती है कि कैसे क्या करना है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज हम दोनों आउट हो गए. बट ऑब्वियसली अगर ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस टीम दे रही है तो कोई भी खेलता जीत जाते हैं हम.
Being the leading run getter, एशिया कप तो बहुत ही बढ़िया था आपके लिए. What's the mindset that you have every time you come into bat? And of course that incredible strike rate that everyone's talking about.
I mean, of course, I've been following this method for quite a few years now. Like, if I get the ball, even the first ball in my spot or anywhere, I just go for it. And I think it's going good. It's not easy to just follow it and execute the plan. But of course, when I'm practicing, when I'm not playing matches, that's the time when I do a lot of work for this, because it's not easy to just go out and play the shot from the first ball. So obviously I've been working really hard on this, and I knew if I want to do something in T20 team, especially after winning the World Cup, if you see getting that spot at the top of the order, you have to do something really special for the team, and that was in my mind. And obviously I always wanted to do this, like if I'm scoring runs, if I'm doing well for giving that team impactful innings, my team should always win, and that is the mindset I always have.
For Team India, it really looks like there is this winning mentality that you will not accept defeat. I mean, unbeaten World Cup, Champions Trophy, and now Asia Cup. How much does that help with the positivity around the team?
That's a really good question. I would say that, because I feel that depends a lot on the coaches and the team captain, because the way they have managed the team, because it's not easy when the youngsters are coming into the team, and the legends, they have played this game so well, and obviously once you are coming in the team and you have to give that impact. So I think special mention to the coach and captain and obviously selectors for giving us the opportunities that we, if we want to play this kind of cricket, obviously we have that mindset that we won't be able to do well in all the games, but whenever we do, we'll make sure that we win the game. So I think that includes a lot of support from the coach and the captain.
I mean, जैसे कि आपने कहा, talking about your captain, what's it like playing under Suryakumar Yadav? He just seems so relaxed and always a very calm atmosphere.
I always remember his one line which he told me in South Africa, because I got out in few matches that time, like 4, 5, 6 innings I wasn't doing really good. So he told me, पाजी आप ही मेरे ओपनर हो, आप बस जैसे खेलते आ रहे हो वैसे खेलो, एंड अगर आप 10 मैच में भी फ्लॉप होते हो, आप ही 11वें में ओपन करोगे. I mean, that if that's coming from the captain, it's a huge thing, and that actually gave me a lot of motivation, and that thing that I want to do well for the team, and I'll do in this way only, the way I've been practicing. And so I think that was the moment when I realized, okay, this team is actually means business and they want to win. And so that time only I realized that I want to only think for the team, and I'm going to win the games.
Well, Abhishek, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thanks.
Congratulations, incredibly successful DP World Asia Cup for you and the team, and good luck for the next one.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello.
Sí.